Kasorka jela hakashitarik uyayong archa arpuar klapenlong ya kajingalang batzang perkhatno halo Jingiakren Iasuk baka Hnlc National Liberation Council Hnlc hakajinga don lang bun simbun menteri rangba upa preston tensong menteri kampo ying ulakmen rumboy haringkat kiwe ki he pulit hadin kajingalang menteri rangba kajila Shri Conrad Sangmau laong panangni syakmat kendang bun kajingalang panpoi syakasenjam Yakren Iasuk bakate kaken hun king atiar bat bak sarkar kelas Sdang banya peliu jingmut Henry wala katau la kentat pat ban batai syaya ke Jingiakren balami nakate ke Jingalang kabala penlong mentah kesngi.
It's just a process, but the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward, and that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share, but as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion. It may happen in weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work.